So in this video, I'm going to tell you some guidelines on how to design your bio. Guys, I'm telling once again, bio is very important because bio is something that is going to describe you. Okay, so by looking at your bio, everyone, your audience are going to know what you are all about. So firstly, for moving on to bio, for editing onto bio, go on to your Instagram page and click on edit. After clicking on edit, you will see a page where there will be these all options, that is photo, username, account name, website, bio, page, category. I'll explain you all these things one by one. Okay, so firstly, starting with photo, you can change your photo over there. That is your profile photo. You can just change it. Then coming to username, that we have seen already in the last lecture, in the last video, we have seen what we are going to decide as a username according to the type of our account. Now coming on to the account name. For example, guys, you are having a personal account, okay? You are not going to keep username and account name as same, okay? There is a reason for it, guys, okay? For example, on your account name, okay, or on your username, you're keeping something as, we had seen in the last video that what if your username is taken? You chosen some prefix, some suffix that we're going to add. So your audience, some new audience, are not going to know what you have kept as a username. What is your username? So they are not going to search out that thing. They are going to search out your name, your real name. So in account name, you are going to keep your real name. Even in business account also, you are going to keep whenever you are not going to get your business name as your username, you will obviously do something, modification to it, and then you will keep it as a username. But you will keep account name, what your business name is, the real business name of your business, you're going to keep it as your account name. Because whenever anyone is searching for you and you have modified it, it would be difficult for them to do. Difficult them to search you out. So whenever you are not being found out, your account name will be popped up. So always keep your account name as your real name or your business real name or whatever. Now coming on to website. Website means links, okay? You can just add your website links over here. Now coming on to bio, that we will see later on, but I'm going to tell you, if you want to change any bio, if you want to edit your bio, click on it and you're going to edit it over here. You're going to put some text over here. Now coming on to page, that is the next option given to you. In page you can link other social media accounts, that is Facebook if you want. And I have personally, linked my Facebook page over here. So you can do it over here. Now coming to category. Category is very important because whenever anyone's come onto your page, onto your profile, first you'll see your profile photo, then your username, then your account name, and then he's going to see category. Category means what you are or what you do. That means, for example, I'm an artist, I'm a digital marketing guide, or I'm an actor, I'm a singer, I'm an anchor, I'm a businessman, I'm an entrepreneur, whatever you may be. Okay, so whatever you are, teacher, professor, whatever you are, you're going to add in your category. Or what you do, that is also a good option. Social activist, you can be that. So what you are or what you do, okay? Or you want to promote something, then promote this, whatever. But what you are or what you do is your category. So you're going to put that in your category. So what you're going to edit, First, your photo, your username, account name should be your name or your business name. No edit over there. Then comes your website. You can link it over there. Bio, we'll see later, but I'm telling you, if you want to edit your bio, you'll click here and edit it. Now coming on to page, you can link other page, that is a Facebook page, Twitter page, and all of those things. You can link it over here. Category means what you are or what you do. For example, actor, anchor, activities, social activities, promoter, whatever it may be. Event manager, so many things. Then comes you like artist and all of those things. Okay, so in categories, these all things come. Now moving on to our main part, that is bio. How are you going to edit your bio? Bio is about you. Bio means something that is going to describe you. Bio is your identity. Bio is going to tell the opposite person what you are and what is your page all about. Firstly, in personal account, coming to about you. What you are. Okay, you're describing all about yourself over here. Okay. Then comes the company. What is your company all about? Then comes any offer. If you are giving any offer, for example, digital marketing, I am taking my example only. I can put as, I am offering you a digital marketing whole guide for this rupees and all of those things. Whatever I want to describe. I am removing online courses, so I can just add it over there. Online courses, whichever new online course, anything, I would be telling you, learn online courses, interesting things and all of those things. Whatever, but something describing me. So anything which is describing me in a more better way, I'm going to select it as my bio. Bio is something that is going to tell you, about your company or an offer. And below that you can add your email ID also, but it is not going to be in the form of links. Your audience or your customers have to copy it and then paste it somewhere, that is on the search engine, and they have to search it out. Okay, so about you, the company and offer, email ID. Now comes the last point, that is CTA, that means call to action. How are you going to do call to action over here? By giving them your link. For example, above up there I have given you a complete digital marketing guide. Then I have to tell you to enroll in it, and I'll show arrow down and I can give my link over there. So people can just click over there and just come to my digital marketing guide. So that's all about CTA. CTA is very important, but Instagram has some boundaries. It will allow you to only share one link, to only add one link. No more than one links. You can add just one link. So you can keep them updating upon your latest link, latest thing you are doing upon. Okay. For example, for me it is this digital marketing guide which I am doing right now. I can just share it over there. So think upon you, think on your case and share it. For example, you are Nike can give the link of their latest product they have just represented. The latest product, they can share the link of it. So in this way you can just describe and decide, and you're going to write your bio down. Firstly, it should describe you, about your company, about your offer. If you're into e-commerce business account, then you are going to make an offer to them. For example, cloth. Okay, I am selling clothes over here. Then I can tell them, to get to my latest outfit, and I can give an arrow down and I can give the link. Okay, so I can write I am into the latest outfits, so you'll get here my latest outfits. So you can write anything. So I'm going to get a, or you can write I'm your, I'm a sari designer, you'll get the latest sari designs here, whatever may it be. Indian, if you are into Indian clothes, all varieties of Indian clothes, Western clothes, whatever. You can mention all those things in your bio. Now, then you can add your email ID also. It's a very good idea. CTA and links. But one negative point of links is many links are too long. If your links are too long, then it is going to, it will not look so clean. It is going to look somewhere unclean and it is going to pick your eyes. We are not going to let it happen. So what to do? Don't worry guys, I have a solution for you. That is, go on to Google and search Google URL shortener. URL shortener, go on to that urlshortener.com and just go on to that website and paste your URL or copy your URL and paste it over there and click on enter. Your URL would be shortened up, trimmed it down, and then you can copy that URL and you can paste it over here. I am repeating it guys for you all. That is, if your URL, that is your link, is too long, then you will go on to Google, search there, browse out there, urlshortener.com. Repeating it, urlshortener.com. You'll go over there, just copy your big long URL from here, paste it over there, upload it over there and click on enter. After clicking upon enter, they'll give you, it will take some seconds to trim up your URL, and they'll give you the trimmed up URL. You're going to copy it from there and paste it over here, and it's just done. And now your bio is going to look super duper clean and it is going to be awesome. And if you're noting down all this point, if you are keeping all these points in your mind, then you are going to create a very good bio. Don't worry about it. So any problem will not occur because it is very easy. Just about you, whatever you are into industry, just frame it down, phrase it up, and you are going to add it there. Email ID you can add, links you can add, all latest updates you can add it there, and that's all about your bio. So it's now your turn guys. Now you're going to start editing your bio.